We're back! It's Tennis and Selena from My Philosophy. Today we're going to talk about bra fittings. Ew. Anyway, we're going to show you how to do a proper bra fitting. Did you know that 85% of women are wearing the wrong size bra? Did you know that, Selena?
No, I didn't know
She
that.
did, because she works there, so I told her. Anyway, so we're going to show you how to do a proper bra fitting. Few things to note. When you have your bra riding high on your back, your bra should be like straight across the back. That's a proper fitting bra. If your bra's riding high, it means you're wearing the wrong bra size. Also, if you find that your boobs are coming to the side and your boobs are like, you know, you've seen those people with the boobs like this, you're wearing the wrong bra size. So we're going to show you how to do a proper measurement. So Selena is going to measure me in the rib cage area here. So you want to go right underneath your boobs here, and she's going to go quite tight. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when they're doing a measurement is they go too loose, and that's how you get a improper bra size. So what did I measure, Selena?
A 32.
So I measured a 32, which means I am actually a 34 because you add 2 inches to your base size, unless you're a size 38 and above. And when you're 38 and above, you actually just kind of stay with your 38. If you are 38 or 40, you stay with the 40. So that is my base size, is a 34. So now she's going to measure the fullest part of my bust. FYI, I'm doing the measurement because Selena does not want her boob size across the World Wide Web, whereas I don't care. So she's measuring right now. And what size do you measure at?
38.
So I'm measuring a 38. So we'll show you on the tape measure. I measured originally as a 32 and a 38, even though my bra size is a 34. You start with the original measurement that's underneath the bust. So each inch here is a cup size. So 32 to 38 is A, B, C, D, E, F. So my bra size is 34F, and that is my correct bra size. What you'll find if you're wearing the improper bra size is when you fit a proper bra, you're going to feel like you lost 10 pounds because your girls are going to be up and, you know, showing the girls. And like, as we like to say hashtag support the sisters. Anyway, that's one of the main things of it. You get the support from a bra from your base of a bra, not the cup of a bra. So most women are wearing too big of a base. And that's what happens is you get a smushed boob, you get straight up and down, you get too big of a boob. That's what happens when you're wearing too big of a base. You want to go as snug as you can, get the proper fitting bra, and you'll have some really good supported sisters. And who doesn't want good boobs? And you don't have to get a boob job to get it.